Let me tell you about Dropr, a groundbreaking product designed by the Baba team. Now, if you don't know about Baba, it's a meme token that's on Solana, but the narrative is a neglected brother of Pepe. So that's what Baba's going for in terms of the narrative. But now they created Dropr, which is a product really for the communities, all crypto communities. Why? Because it's designed as a platform to allow users to create and manage all kinds of pools. We all like pools. And all these pools is pre-built by the Baba team. So you don't need any development time or effort. Very simple. Now let me show you the website. This is the website by Dropr. Very simple and very easy to navigate. But at the top here, I'm seeing a full audit. So they are very full audit, very safe, and very, very secure. Now with Dropr, they have a flagship pool called the No Lot Staking Pool. Now this pool is very easy to set up, very simple to set up, okay? Low cost, development time, you can forget about that because you don't need a lot of extra time to set this up. It's very simple to do and it's highly secure, as you see the contract audit that's seen right there in front of you. 90%. That's exactly what you want. You want it as high as possible. Now, one of the things I like about the no lot staking pool is that users do not have to send their tokens to a staking contract. We all know when you send your tokens to any type of contract, you could be paying a deposit or some type of commitment. Dropr eliminates that risk completely, making things safe and secure. So that means you have your tokens in your possession while things are going on. The system scans all the staking wallets and allow you to still have all your tokens in possession, making things safe and secure. It detects when users transfer their tokens, sell their tokens, any type of movement in their tokens. So it's like things are happening and you do not have to do anything. So all you would have to do really when you sign up, when the persons set up the staking periods, all you have to do is connect your wallet and then sign up whatever staking pools that's set up for, or staking periods that's set up from the user. Could be the dev, could be somebody on the team. So you just select that pool, and then after that, you still have possession of those tokens here. So that's simple and very, very easy. And when I'm looking on here, here's a couple of people that have already did it already. They already signed up on some type of period. This is an example right here. And this is an example right here as well. You see the date, time, the stake, everything like that. This is a groundbreaking staking mechanism to me that's groundbreaking for all crypto communities. And one thing I really like about Dropr, they do have the tutorial. So let me play the tutorial. This is the tutorial I'll also have in the link in the description. This breaks down how to set up the entire process here. All right. The process is very easy to do. It's just that you need to have certain information to make sure things are safe and secure. The basic information you need to know, like your account name and username, that basic information there as well. So, and also the Medium article definitely has all the information there as well. So the Medium article, the dashboard, it has the profile, it has the update your profile, set your name, all the information there as well seamlessly. They're making the staking a completely different way of not only earning, but also earning that actually support from your community as well. So this page is where you can find the active staking pool at dropr.babatoken.com. Now this is an environment for people that stake, the community members. So this is very important to come to this page and start staking, connecting your wallet and start staking. Now this will be available after April 1st. And the tutorial is the environment for the people that's setting up the pools and their staking pools, like the developers, project owners. So don't forget to stake your Baba tokens, okay? Dropr is welcoming the 5 projects absolutely for free. So I got the link in the description. Check out Dropr. So the first 5 projects get a chance to do this for free. And that's another thing. I know we talked about the no lot staking pool, they have other pools as well. Meme contest pools, commission pools, okay? Shilling contest pools. So they actually have more pools. So it's not just the no lot staking, they actually have more pools there as well. And of course, I did mention it's absolutely secure audit. And when you sign up as this, your period or your situation will be live in 24 hours. So when you set all this up, this will be live in 24 hours. Here's an example on their X page that the process is set up. You see the pools and all the wallets. That's an example how it'll be set up if as a whole, okay? What I like about this, I don't have to send my tokens to a staking contract and then maybe pay a deposit and then maybe not pay a deposit, but also I don't have any saying. So I'm locking my tokens up and then I'm like, okay, what do I do now? With this, it eliminates the risk. Dropr eliminates all risk and is highly secure with that as well. And you still have possession of your tokens, which is absolutely phenomenal here. I really, really like this. It's something we need in the crypto space. To me, we need something where people feel safe with it. And this is utility for all projects does not have a utility. So if you're a meme contract or meme token out there, or you are a utility project out there, but doesn't have anything in terms of different types of pools that you can set up with Dropr, created by Baba and the narrative of the neglected brother, that's what Baba is. This is a really good option for you. Different pools here as well. If I go down to the website, it gives you more information of how to set this stuff up. And I would say check it out. It's not financial advice, but I would say check this out completely as well. Here is the tutorial. The tutorial sets things up very simple and very, very easy. Remember, they're doing a special. The first 5 projects that sign up is for free, okay? And it only takes more than about 24 hours to get this set up, just like it says so right over here. So what I want you to do here is go ahead and sign up, all right? It's like right over here, okay? Live in just 24 hours. I want to confirm that. Live in 24 hours, you will have instantly utility for your community. So my name is Adam Shelton. I'm the captain. Set up with Dropr today by Baba team. I'm so glad they created this because we need this in the crypto space, especially with all those projects that does not have a utility. And if you have a staking contract and you're not happy with it, go with Baba. Go with Dropr. Because Dropr makes things simple, low cost. You don't even need to have any type of development efforts already because all the pools is pre-built already. So you just select which one you want, let your community know, connect your wallet, and you're off to the races. My name is Adam Shelton. I'm the captain. I'll see you in the next video.